Every single dollar that you have on your trade account can become a million if you work systematically. Now I'm doing to show you our system of work for buying options that help my friends make $100,000 in the first months of work without experience, without knowledge, and without a lot of capital. Let's start with a market type and time frame right here. Candles, 15 seconds on time frame. Alright, and now next go to indicator setting and turn on the average sign, the Vortex indicator and RSI. The first step in settings up the parameters. I go oversight settings and change to period 8 and select 70-30. Change the thickness, pink for the one, blue for the other one. Save. And now let's go to the Vortex 10 on period and look this style. K2 and thickness, blue and pink one. Now I will show you how to open trading and how this strategy work. Okay? The expiration time in 3 minutes. The maximum amount I use $15. Okay? My prediction is that the price will increase. I press the green button to buy. You can find such signals every 5 minutes on any currency pair, my friends. The first step is to intersect the middle line on every side indicator. As you can see, the purple line is moving up, crossing the middle line a couple of minutes ago on the RSI, okay? And the moment continues, okay? The second step is the intersection of the Vortex line, okay? Look at this. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Two lines cross each other at the same moment and this confirms my signal. Pay attention on it. If you look at the candle pattern, you will see the good and stable growth for 5 minutes. Maybe 4 minutes, then I stop. Okay? And now the correction has begun. Everything is very, very logical and understand a good signal indicators. A good and understable candle pattern in good conditions for my signal. It is the basic explanation of what to look and how to use this indicator. Let's wait for the results. Oh yeah, there are $29 in account. The trade is profitable and ready to continue with that, and I increased my amount to $29. And I tell you more interesting things and secrets of this trading strategy. Let's then find another opportunity to make this entry right now. Okay? Let's change this value here. And so, the first and profitable, most important secret that I will give you is trading on the same currency pair. Yeah, as you can see, I did not change the currency pair, and I will not do it today. This method works perfectly. If you find the best partner of the day and open from 1 to 10 trades on it, you use the right now. I found a good signal, I made a good profit. I waited a couple minutes and see another situation end up signal here, again using the buy button. It's the best. Otherwise, that has helped my student make big profits. Yeah, guys, you may not believe me. Maybe some offer trades will be unprofitable, but it works well at a distance. You need to find a good signal and try to work in the same currency pair for an hour. Do it on a demo account if you want to check the statistics. If you do everything right, I think you make a 6 or 7 profitable trades out of 10. It's a really good results. And if you combine this with money management with other indicators, your account will grow very quickly. And as again, Pay attention when you get the crossing line, pink one with the blue line, the middle line, and we have the crossing with each other on the vortex. Okay? That is the two options that we have to pay attention when you got this. Oh yeah, I made $27 in net profit. It's very good. I won't wait long. And we'll try to perform another entry right now. Okay, and stand at the same currency pair and open a trade. Again, guys, if your time frame is in 15 seconds, the expiration time should be 2 or 3 minutes. If your time frame is 1 or 5 minutes, the expiration time should be for around 10 or 20 minutes. Don't forget to change the settings and try different methods of work. One detail, guys, just one detail. One setting can make your trade much more profitable. Just remember that. Don't forget this information. Therefore, always try different experiments and always change your approach. Okay? We got the same situation right here, but right now using the downtrend. Okay? You can use this for both trends, up or downtrend. Oh yeah, guys, look at this. $108 in my account, and I was able to earn $93 in net profit today. $93. It's a very cool result. And so, friends, today I showed you that even with a minimal deposit, you can earn some money. Write your opinion about this strategy in the comments. It's very interesting for me to read this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and just write me something to my Telegram link only on the video description. I wish you big profits. See you soon on my live and my group. Bye bye.